Hello and welcome to my multiple stocks program. Before I get this started, I just want to apologize for my voice. I got my wisdom teeth removed yesterday and it's a bit swollen, so my voice is a little messed up. So anyway, to start off, we're going to import JavaFrame, and then we start off with our java.comment, and then we have our pull class and our main method right here. So in the main method, the first thing I do is create the amount of stocks, a value for the amount of stocks that the person is invested in. So to do that, I have to grab the result of this method, get sales amount, which is down here. So and I ask them how many stocks you're invested in, and I turn that into an integer. I say for sales amount, I parse it into an integer, and then I return it. So go back up here. If that is 0, then it says why are you using the program to buy, because obviously there's no stocks to calculate if they're not invested in any. And then right here, to start off, this will come in handy later, but I'm just going to create a total for that. That's the total of the profit or loss of all the stocks you're invested in. This starts off at 0, and then I've got my loop right here. So it starts out at 1 for the first stock that they're invested in, and it ends at the final stock that they're invested in, and it increments by 1 each time. And then inside of this, I just have everything from the stock profit program, the one before this, which is methods that get all of the necessary components to calculate the profit for that stock, which is the get profit. I'll just show again that method is all the way down here. So it returns a profit, and then profit's greater than 0. Your profit is this, formatted to 2 decimal places. If profit equals 0, I broke even, and if profit is less than 0, total loss is this, formatted to 2 decimal places, and I didn't know how to keep it like negative, so I just did a negative sign before the dollar sign, and then took the absolute value of the profit, or in this case, loss. And total, like I said earlier, starting off at 0. Each time the total adds the profit of the stock onto itself, whether that be a loss or a gain, doesn't matter. It just adds it to itself, and then at the end displays the total once you're done calculating your stocks. So if total is greater than 0, your profit is this, formatted to decimal places. If it's 0, you broke even. That's unlikely, but I wanted to throw it in there just in case. I didn't want to have any weird errors or anything. If total is less than 0, then your loss is, again, formatted to decimal places, then negative, and then took the absolute value of the total. So these are, again, all the methods for getting the components you need to calculate the profit from your stocks. I'm just going to scroll down these. They've got all the returns and parameter tags on them. So let's go ahead and run this really quick. I'll do a scenario for each kind. So how many stocks you invested in? Let's do 2. That's the number of shares for stock number 1. Let's go 4 shares. You sold it for $90. You didn't pay any commission. You purchased it for $9, and you didn't pay any of that, so your profit is that much. Now for stock number 2, the number of shares, we're going to do 90, and then sales price, let's do 0.1, so 10 cents. You paid a lot in commission, and you purchased them for a lot, so this is going to be a big, and you paid a lot, so it's going to be a really big loss right there. So then it takes the total of these and it puts it right there. So that's a -1, and let's just do a positive one here. So let's do 2 stocks, 3 shares, sales price 3, commission 0, purchase price 80 cents, 0, and then 4 shares, $67, purchased it for 90 cents, so your commission paid, and that's a big profit right there. And again, it just adds them and displays it down there. So thank you. Bye.